Okay, so here is how you get started with our Hello, I Am Flipgrid. Click on the link from my teacher page in your class's schedule. Make sure you follow the proper schedule because there's one for coding and one for digital art. And here is the prompt. You can use the immersive reader to have it read to you, or you can read it yourself. And here's what you're going to share in your video. I'll show you the example. So I'm going to come down here and click Add Response. When the camera comes up, hi there, if it doesn't come up right away, you can check over here and make sure that it's allowed, and also up in the upper right hand corner to make sure that it's allowed. If a pop-up comes up and asks you about it being allowed, make sure you click yes and allow. So I can click the topic here and even move this over so that, I don't know about you, but once I click record, I forget what I'm supposed to be talking about. So then I can see the questions right here. There are options in here, so you can play around with those. I can mirror my video so things aren't backwards behind me, and record my screen and have other options. And then the effects are really fun. If you're not comfortable talking, you can use text, right? So I could put a filter on this. I could use a text box. So I'm going to click there, and then I could answer the questions right here. I would like you to say how to pronounce your name out loud so that I can hear you say your name, but I can click away from the text box, and now I've got a text box that I can move around. I can change the font and cool stuff. There are other effects as well, a pen tool that you can draw, or like a whiteboard. You can add stickers, so if you are not comfortable showing your face, you can put something right over your face or on there somewhere fun. There's GIFs, you can upload photos, and you can also put frames. So decorate it how you want. Since we're not really showing our artwork this time, we can have some fun and blur our faces. All right. I haven't even played around. This new backdrop is a new feature, so you might want to check that out. So anything you want showing through the whole video, you will want to set up before you hit record. And now I'm going to hit record and make my video. Hey everybody, I'm Laura Seward. That's how you say my name. I prefer to be called Miss Seward by my students. The pronouns I use are she or her, so please use those when referring to me. And something that you should know about me is I love food. I'm a big foodie. I love food shows. I love cooking and baking and talking about food and cookbooks and all things foodie. And I really look forward to getting to know all of you this semester. Thanks for watching. All right, I'm going to hit pause. Come up here and make sure I have enough time left on my recording. I do. Okay, now I can click next. I have had students, once you hit pause, if you wanted to keep recording until your time was out and add some additional things, you can do that. Or once you've answered the questions, you can click next. Make sure you keep it all school appropriate, guys. Hey everybody, I'm Laura Seward, right? So now it's gonna give me a preview. I can click here if I decide to add more. There's some editing you can do. Hey everybody. You can shorten it if there's like a beginning or end you want to cut off. If you like it and are good to go, confirm, click next. You can either take a selfie here, upload a picture or frame, or just select a frame from your video of maybe one where my face is not so goofy, or maybe I want to find one that's even more goofy. Oh my goodness. There we go. That's not bad. Confirm and submit. Hooray, your video is submitted. Click done. You won't see your video right away. You will see this, that it's been submitted and hidden until I approve it. I will be right here on the other end watching and approving your videos. And then once that happens, you can refresh and reload the page and see your classmates' videos. And I hope that for step 2, you will come back the next day and reply to at least 3 classmates. Thanks, guys. I'll see you online.